Hello friends, welcome back to Hershey's Kitchen with another recipe. Today I am going to show how to make chicken buna. If you like this recipe, please click the like button below and do not forget to subscribe my channel. To make chicken buna, I have taken about 1 kg of with bone chicken and I have cleaned with turmeric. Into that add in about 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, a teaspoon of salt, little bit of turmeric powder, squeeze half lime. Now mix this thoroughly and marinate it until we do rest of the process. Meanwhile, take another pan and once it is hot, we are going to add in some whole spices into it. Kasuri methi, black pepper, cinnamon, cloves, fennel seeds and red chili. Add all of them into the pan and dry roast them for about 2 minutes until you get nice aroma out of it. And later you're going to crush this and keep it aside. Take another pan and once it is hot, add in about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add in some cumin seeds and finely chopped onions, about 2 medium-sized onions. Mix this well. Add in a pinch of salt here. We are going to saute these onions until it turns nice and brown color. Close the lid and cook this. After a while, you can see it has turned nice and brown. Give it a quick stir. Here add in 1.5 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste and some turmeric powder into it. Give it a quick stir and saute this until ginger and garlic paste leaves raw smell out of it. Add in 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder. So mix all the spices thoroughly for about 2 minutes. Add in prepared tomato puree into it. This is about puree of 3 tomatoes. You can either chop them finely. Add a teaspoon of salt. Mix this well. On a medium heat, cook the tomato puree along with the spices for about 5 to 6 minutes. You can see the oil is separated nicely. Mix this until it becomes completely dry. Here add in marinated chicken pieces into it. Give it a stir. Cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally in between. Cook the chicken until it becomes dry. Here we will add prepared masala powder into it. Mix this well. Cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes and add in fresh coriander leaves. Give it a gentle stir. If you want, you can just keep it like this dry, or you can add some water to make it into gravy consistency. Here I am not adding any water into it. So close the lid and cook for about 5 minutes. Then our chicken buna is ready to serve. You can have it along with roti or rice. So friends, hope you like this recipe and please give it a try. If you like this recipe, please click the like button below and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.